Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting OneNote ready, sign in with your Microsoft account, and pick the app or web version. Once done, create a new notebook and name it clearly so search finds it fast. Next, add a section and your first page, then give that page a concise title and apply 1 or 2 tags to categorize. This upfront naming saves time later, and you'll be able to jump right into typing or pasting content without extra setup. You now focus on capturing and shaping content. Type notes, use headings and bullet lists to structure ideas so scanning is faster. If you need context, insert images, audio snippets, or files, drag and drop works, and inserted media stays linked to the page. Make sure to tag important items, use the search bar to find anything, and create page links to connect related notes. These steps keep your notebook useful, organized. You finish by syncing and sharing. Make sure OneNote syncs to the cloud and shows a green check or recent timestamp so nothing is lost. Then share a page or the whole notebook, setting view or edit permissions depending on needs. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Force a manual sync, sign out and back in, and confirm you have enough cloud storage and the latest app updates. These fixes resolve most issues and keep your notes accessible and collaborative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.